my island, oh love. Emotional slam soon arise come the morning. Splat place ya loop magal Thomas. Long north go long south, na long more islands and to blown suara. Southern colors belong you, and you're beautiful more yet. Oh my Bougainville island, and homegrown me. My skin is up long way long you, you're still in my heart. Oh my lonely island, and you're blessed so beautiful. No matter how far from me stop, I'm still loving you. Lovely islands, white sandy beaches by a making. You have mama master soul. Evergreen, evergreen mountains I making place I look nice too. Loving people, beautiful cultures like no other lose you. No matter the church you look, no other politician or ethnic groups. Such a great story. For my island home, this is where I belong. Oh my Bougainville island, and homegrown me. My skin is up long way long you, you're still in my heart. Oh my lonely island, and you're blessed so beautiful. No matter how far from me stop, but me always come back around you. From Wales to Bucca, there's a bumpy road. That's the end free. Never the cost, never say die. I'm a highwayman on a mission. Many rivers to cross, many mountains to climb, but I'm still moving on the trail. It's a tropical paradise, but ain't no less now. Rub me plastic, rub and stop to this. Oh my Bougainville island, and homegrown me. My skin is up long way long you, you're still in my heart. Oh my lonely island, and your place so beautiful. No matter how far by me stop, I'll be always come back.